Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the date format on your Windows 10 tablet, laptop, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and you want to search for settings. Best result, you come back with settings here. Go ahead and open that up and then select the time and language tile. On the left side, you want to select where it says region. And then on the right where it says current format, click the drop down and then select your correct region from the list. And then that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.